Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to monetize your TikTok account. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. If you're looking for an easy way to get monetized on TikTok and start earning money, then follow these steps. Go to your profile section. Click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. Click on TikTok Studio. Scroll down to Monetization and click on See All. Here you will be able to see all the available monetization programs which you can follow to get monetized quickly and start earning really fast. Click on View All next to Programs for You. You will see all the programs you can follow. They all vary. To see what you're eligible to get monetized on, click on it. You can scroll through to see the steps you need to complete. You should turn on notifications so you'll notified when you are eligible for monetization. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.